SSD upgrade, and deep cleaning on Acer A514 laptop. Thank you, Sir Benji, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. Upgrading to an SSD is a very good move, especially when done by a professional repair shop. SSDs are significantly faster than traditional HDDs, leading to quicker boot times, faster application loading, and overall improved system responsiveness. They're more reliable due to having no moving parts, which reduces the risk of mechanical failure. Additionally, SSDs consume less power, benefiting battery life in laptops, and operates silently compared to noisy HDDs. Having the upgrade performed by a professional ensures correct installation, proper data migration, and necessary system adjustments for optimal performance. Overall, an SSD upgrade provides a noticeable performance boost and enhances the reliability of your system, making it a worthwhile investment. Having your laptop deep cleaned at a trusted repair shop is highly recommended. Professional technicians can thoroughly clean the internal components, removing dust and debris that can cause overheating and reduce performance. This includes cleaning the fans, heat sinks, and vents, which helps maintain optimal cooling efficiency. Additionally, a deep clean can extend the lifespan of your laptop by preventing hardware issues caused by dust accumulation. Trusting professionals ensures that the cleaning is done safely and effectively, minimizing the risk of damage to delicate components overall. A deep cleaning by a trusted repair shop enhances your laptop's performance and longevity. SSD upgrade and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.